Welcome to my game. I'll be your host and humble narrator. The rules of this game are simple. Play it until the end, and you'll be rewarded.
That was a signal. You don't tell me how to do so. I'm a little light, Hey, we should get some sparkles.
This is Misfortune. She's a wonderful child from a not-so-wonderful family.
A little sparkle for you, and a little sparkle for you, and a little bit for me.
Oh, the sad part is, today is the day she will die.
I can hear you, you know.
Oh, you can?
Are you inside my head or something?
Well, okay, yes.
Alright, I'll call you Mr. Voice. What did you say about me dying today?
Die? No. Nobody said anything about anyone dying today.
Nobody said nothing?
You know, I have prepared a game for you.
A game? Really? For me?
If you can reach the end of the game, I'll give you eternal happiness. Deal?
Eternal happiness? I guess I could give that to my mommy. Okay, it's a deal.
Wonderful. Fantastic. Ready to play?
Yes.
Your first mission is to leave the house.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. I like to move my body. It's the music that goes on forever. Look, I made these paper dolls myself. This is Kimberly and this is Steven. They're on a trip fighting super evils. Like later. Look, this is my secret hiding spot.
Oh, impressive. But
I don't like it when Mommy and Daddy argue too much. And when I come here, I can dream and travel far away.
I see.
This is Babsy, the guardian of the secret spot. You see his eye? He got that from a battle against a monster.
A monster? That sounds scary.
It was. This is my diary. Nobody's allowed to read it. Want to see? I'm so cute.
Did you draw all this?
Uh-huh. puke of love. That's what it is. I don't like it when Daddy hits Mommy. That's Hiro, my Japanese friend. He's a ghost. Glitter. I love my glitter. I peed in the lake. It was really warm. Look at that picture. I was such a baby.
Very cute.
Now I'm such a lady. I'm a little lady. That's what I am. I love my coloring book. I'm gonna take it with me if I get bored, okay? Look, I drew this picture. It's the fox I see outside my window sometimes. I call him Benjamin. He's a really cute fox.
Ugh, I don't care much for foxes.
I saw a monster in here once. I showed it the finger and it never came back.
Before you leave, which toy do you choose to bring with you?
Can't I take them both?
No, you can only choose one. And remember, your choice is...
Okay, I choose... I choose the stone Daddy threw at me once.
Interesting choice.
Yeah, I call him Stony, because he's a stone, get it?
Stony the stone. That's very clever.
Thank you. Ah, and so you know, I like to sprinkle sparkle on things so they become fabulous. Shadam! Happiness to everything!
Hey, you, on the other side of the screen. Remember I told you she was going to die today? Let's keep that a secret between us, all right?
This is Grandma. She wears a diaper too.
You still wear a diaper?
Nah, that was so last year. Mommy likes to collect glasses. I broke a couple once by running too fast.
Did Mommy find out who did it?
No, but I had a piece of glass in my foot for like 5 days. Please don't fall, don't fall. Damn it, it's all broken now.
That was a beautiful example of cause and effect.
Please don't tell on me.
Don't worry. You can trust me.
Okay, thank you. Maybe I could try to fix it. I'm gonna do it. I'm doing it. I did it. Look, that's me. Mommy told me I have to smile even when I'm sad. My daddy's friend was a hunter and killed this moose. His daughter Erica, she thought his gun was a toy. She said bang bang to her mommy and daddy. Then her parents died, and she was so sad.
Ugh, it smells like cigarettes in here.
Yeah, that's my mommy. She also likes to drink juice a lot.
Well, are you ready to complete your first mission?
Yes, I am. I'm gonna get that prize. Oh, dead rabbits again? When will Daddy learn I like them alive? Mommy, this smells really bad. What is it?
Dead animals. That's what it is.
Yikes forever. Mommy, this smells...
Dead animals. That's...
Yikes forever. When I grow up, I want to be just like my mommy, a juice drinker. I'm going out to play, Mommy! Good day, morning.
It's afternoon, Misfortune.
Ah, okay. Good afternoon, morning. Remember Benjamin the Fox? This is where I first saw him. He was hiding in the trash and we made eye contact. It was really intense.
Yes, you've told me about that fox already. You shouldn't trust a fox. They're all criminals.
What? A fox criminal? That's silly. This bowl smells like a toilet because I pee on it.
That is disgusting.
Not as disgusting as when my daddy puked in it. That was disgusting. This bowl smells like...
That is...
Not as disgusting as when... This is where daddy often sleeps. Daddy? Hello, kitty. Here, come, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty! Kitty, don't go! Damn it, I never get to pet the sweet animals.
So, before we continue, you need to know the rules of the game, Misfortune.
All right.
Remember, you will be given choices on your journey.
Okay, choices?
There is no right or wrong, only consequences.
Okay, only consequences.
When you beat the game, the prize of eternal happiness is yours.
I'm ready.
Your next mission is to cross this road.
All right, I can do that. Look to the left, look to the right. Any course? No. Okay, I'm going. I saw a monster.
What monster? I didn't see anything.
It was there. I saw it.
It's probably just your imagination.
Yeah, that's true. I have a very big one.
Just keep going. We'll have so much fun.
All right. Look, a sleepy bird.
Come on, Miss Fortune. Let's go now.
I used a lot of sparkle back there. Anyway, where are we?
Look, there's a puppy.
Hello, puppy. What a cute party hat.
Now focus, Miss Fortune. You have to make a very difficult choice regarding this puppy now. Be aware of the consequences.
All right. I will play with it so we can share a nice time together.
Good choice. Now throw the ball at it.
What ball?
This ball.
Ah, that ball. Okay. Oh. Puppy! What did I do? It's all broken now. Mr. Voice, everything I touch breaks. What's wrong with me?
There's nothing wrong with you. Sometimes life is just unfair. But I'm here for you.
Really? Thank you.
Well, sadly, the puppy will miss the party now.
What party?
The owner of this dog, George, is having a party. I think you have to go and tell him about the accident.
What accident? Ah, yes, the puppy, yes.
Let's go. It's just a bit farther ahead.
All right. I'm sorry I broke you, puppy. I really am. Maybe we can play. I'll take the party hat as a symbol of our friendship, puppy doggy. Oh no, I step on Doggy Doo. That sign doesn't work. Do you see all the crap lying around?
That's a good observation, Miss Fortune.
Thank you.
So, Miss Fortune, at the other side of this lake, you will be one step closer to the prize of eternal happiness.
And the party, right?
Ah, yes, that too.
You know, once at this lake, I got my head stuck in a plastic bag. I remember falling asleep and waking up in the hospital.
That's terrible.
Yeah, I almost died. What's happening?
I think you're in big trouble, Miss Fortune.
Yeah, tell me about it. Where are these birds taking me?
I have no idea, but you have to do something about it, fast.
All right. Mommy told me once, if guys are annoying me, I should kick them in the balls. And I asked, where are these balls? And she said, between the legs.
All right, that sounds like a plan.
All right, here I go. I'll kick. This is taking a long time. We didn't even go that high up.
Well, time seems to slow down when we are in danger.
Am I in danger? Hey, look, a birdie. Hello, birdie. Oh, that was a rude bird. Oh, Why didn't I break my legs and die?
You seem very good at falling.
Thank you. So, Mr. Voice, is the party on the same way to the eternal happiness?
Yes, it is.
Oh, that's convenient.
Have you thought about how to break the news to George?
About the puppy?
Yes. I mean, if you want to.
No, I don't want to get in trouble. And I really want to dance at the party.
All right, then.
Oh, look! A boat! Hello! Are we there yet?
Just a little bit farther away.
Ah, okay. Ah, a fish!
What should we do about it?
I'll keep it. His name is Rodrigo, and he needs a new place to stay. I wonder if Rodrigo has heard about sushi. It's like Rodrigo put in tiny pieces, you know?
And here we are, the house of George.
I'm a bit nervous about introducing myself.
You'll do fine. Just don't mention the puppy like we discussed earlier.
Yes, okay, I'll just dance. Nobody's answering. I'll invite myself in. Time to check out the party. I saw a man once floating in the lake, just like this fishy. Ah, what a nice picture. I wish I had a picture like this with my mommy and daddy. Ah, what a nice... I wish I had a picture... Hello?
What is it, Misfortune?
Nothing. Are you sure this is the right house? Where is the party? Hello? Excuse me, are you George? I don't know anything about any puppy, but I was promised a party.
Oh no, wait. It looks like he hung himself.
Hang himself like a piñata? Should I hit him like a piñata?
No, Misfortune. He's dead.
Dead? But he's wearing a pair of sweet boots. He can't be dead. Oh, okay.
Hey, Misfortune, I think this party's over. Let's leave. I'll meet you in the back.
George, you know, now that you're dead, your puppy is gone. I like the puppy. Bye. Shadam! Happiness to George the Piñata! Okay, I'm here now.
Let's go into the woods and get that eternal happiness.
Yes. Ah, I love the woods with the trees and the birds and And the animals?
Dangerous animals, Misfortune. You might run into a fox.
A fox? Like Benjamin?
Yes, but all foxes are evil, so keep your eyes.
Alright. What's this? A doll? Everything begins with the song of a jackdaw. Alright. Everything begins. Alright. Interesting. I'll keep it.
Hey, what do you have there?
Nothing.
Misfortune.
What is it?
A wild, dangerous fox.
Wait, I recognize that black tail. It's Benjamin.
It doesn't matter. Attack it before it kills you.
Nah, I don't think Benjamin will kill me. Hello, is your name Benjamin? Do you want to play with me? Oh no, don't go! Oh.
What a relief. We are safe now. Let's keep playing my game.
Okay.
There's a magical cave nearby. You need to find it.
A magical cave? Okay. It looks like Benjamin likes to paint. That's pretty cool. I like that in a fox.
Focus, Misfortune. We need to keep going.
Okay.